Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 server is not currently available. Please try again later. So if you're getting this error in Forza Horizon 6 feature locked, the Forza Horizon 6 server is not currently available. Please try again later. So if you're getting this error in Forza Horizon 6, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Well, this error generally occurs when Forza Horizon 6 online services experience a problem. And this usually happens when Forza Horizon 6 servers are down. However, here we can follow the fixes that help many players to fix the problem. Fix 1 is to by using a PowerShell command. So here you can see in the subreddit of Forza Horizon, here one user have mentioned for anyone attempting this, if you check your credential manager and all the credentials starting with X are the Xbox One mentioned, you can run this command in PowerShell to remove all of them in that case. So this has fixed the issue for many players. As you can see over here, thank you, this actually worked for me. Yes, it does work for Steam as well. So try this and see if that helps or not. So in Windows search, type PowerShell and open the Windows PowerShell. Now here you to paste the command. So copy this code. You can copy this code and paste the command from my video description. I have provided this code in my video description. So after copying the code, paste it over here. It will give you this warning. You are about to paste text that contains multiple lines. If you paste this text into your cell, it may result in the unexpected execution commands. Do you wish to continue? Click on paste anyway. And here you can see credential deleted successfully. Now close this and then go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game, and when you launch the game, it will ask you to sign into your Microsoft again. So you have to log into your profile or Microsoft account and the problem will get solved. Fix 2 is to check for game updates. Now if fix 1 does not work, then you can go for fix 2, check for game updates. If you see below, here it is mentioned, you can check out the update for solving this problem. If you see another subreddit with the same error, the game is updated. I was able to get back online by simply installing the new online fix. Update the game from wherever you have installed the game. So update the game. So simply download the new online fix and it will work. Now after updating the game, if still your problem is not solved, then you can follow more fixes mentioned in another video. Here is the link. I will provide the link in my video description as well as in the pinned comment. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 error, feature locked. The Forza Horizon 6 server is not currently available. Please try again later. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.